One of the most essential yet complex forms of plant life on Earth are trees. Trees not only help sculpt the physical environment, but with their many variations in size, shape, and color, they provide an abundance of character and life to an ecosystem in a scene. Here at Quixel, we have worked hard to bring you high quality, accurate, and optimized tree asset packs readily available for you to use for free in the Unreal Engine marketplace. Such as with our first installment of the Black Alder tree, which comes with each stage of a tree's life cycle from a seedling to adulthood. This asset pack sparked a huge growth of interest in more trees, and since then, we've improved on our methods and optimization with the next installment, the European Hornbeam. This set included even more unique variations and can be perfectly paired with the Black Alder set or even with the recent third tree pack, the European Beech set. This species has a long history of providing more than just resources for various needs, but is known for its long-lasting beauty that is surely the right choice for a lush environment. Trees are an ever-growing part of the Quixel ecosystem, and with our most recent Megascans Trees release, the Hazel tree, we have honed in on our workflow and efficiency. Here within Unreal Engine 5, I have a simple scene set up using the new European Beech and Hazel sets. To get here, I've simply opened the Unreal Engine marketplace, searched for the Megascans tree packages, and added the sets to my project, which appears here in my content browser. The Hazel tree package, much like the prior three sets, is optimized for me to simply drag and drop an asset right on my scene, set up with a procedural foliage actor, or I can even paint a group of them manually, giving me more creative control on establishing hierarchy and giving my environment a story. Having these high-fidelity assets ready to paint in a scene lets me hone in and enjoy the design experience without any technical worries. Even combining these tree assets with those from the Megascans library, such as these fallen branches, or these roots, or even these boulders, lets me simply focus on my scene and composition to create a lush and unique forest environment such as this. It's all simply set up for me right out of the box. The Megascans tree packs in the Unreal Engine marketplace are just the beginning of what lush trees are available, and they can be paired perfectly with other assets from the Megascans library, such as with our common Hazel assets that include atlas cards of various seasons, surface textures, and bark. These assets will help fill your forest with extra detail. Or check out the additional beech assets, where you can find a variety of trunks, fallen leaves, and an assortment of other atlases and details to add even more variety to your scenes. Add more enhancement to your forest scene with the Forest Undergrowth collection, full of hundreds of assets such as moss, debris, rocks, leaves, and more, all set up to fill your forest floor. Lastly, we'd like to again thank you so much for your continuing support. With your help, we are able to direct our focus to the content you desire and ensure as much of that content is provided on a daily basis. Thank you for joining me in this update. I'll see you soon in the next one.